It's been centuries that we really went out or planned any trip. But one day, out of nowhere, we decided to give an honor to Murray and Bhurban of our presence. So we packed our bags and stuffed our car like Gadha Gadi and started our journey. Our journey has 4 main stops: Lokvirsa, Islamabad, Patrayata, PC Bhurban, Murray Mall Road. Now back to the road again. It took us a while to hit Islamabad motorway, and here we are to the motorway. Finally we are feeling like to visiting somewhere. On the way to capital, we made our first stop near Bhera interchange. And here we are, guys. So this is my ritual that I don't wear shoes because I feel myself detained. Putting up my shoes and look at this, guys, a cloud 9 moment for me because all the famous fast food restaurants are here. But I'm not visiting any of them, sadly, because they are pretty heavy on my pocket. Here are Mustafa and his Baba, and I'm offering them an orange, but they are not paying any attention. So I'm gonna find a suitable place for this orange. And I found out a table, and now I'm gonna place it. Both are driving me crazy as they are unable to find a suitable place for photos. So I'm just following them as a order taking robot because slave word is a bit harsh, you know. Mustafa, what are you doing? Look at your mama. Mustafa. Mustafa, look at me. Clapping. Clap on a mama hand. Clap. While exploring the area, I found out a shop where Minions were hanging. I don't know why I'm so much obsessed with Minions, but I cannot help it. I just love them. Kids are really excited after coming out of the car. It seems like they were in cage and finally they are free now. And Mustafa is just loving to crawl on the wooden cot, and kids are be like, आग लगे बस्ती में, हम तो अपनी मस्ती में. Disclaimer: if you are broke and poor person like me, don't buy anything from motorway rest area. Even a pack of chips will cost you double or triple. And because of that, I didn't try McDonald's or Hardee's and just stayed away from a safe distance to avoid any kind of temptation. But I'm a high level of bhukad as well, and everything was so tasty and tempting me that I couldn't resist myself. So to avoid any kind of temptation, I went to Gourmet, which is comparatively nice to your pocket. I bought chicken patties in which is barely there, a sandwich, Nimco chips and a bottle of soda. I was done with food and now I was dying for tea. No one even bothered me to buy me a cup of tea, so I decided not to have it. But as I was coming to parking lot, I saw this cute little restaurant offering tandoori chai in 70 rupees. And guess what? I had 100 rupees in my purse. So I ordered one tandoori tea, but to my dismay, tandoori chai wasn't available. So I asked them to make desi chai. You might be wondering what is desi chai. Desi chai means which is available on dhaba. They boil the chai to the point when it becomes crazy red, strong and condensed. But it wasn't a happy ending. As I approached the car, the two gentlemen, Tahir and Bhai Jafar, took my tea and I was empty-handed once again. The cruelty of the life. No! ये चाय आपके लिए बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। कप तो है, आप ये निकाल लेते। नहीं जी।
On departure from Bhera interchange, I was heartbroken because the love of my life, my tea, was taken away from me. But I started my journey on a happy note by keeping my sadness aside. Now we are heading towards Islamabad. Here we will have a stay to our relative house. We will have some refreshment like tea. Sound yummy na? Then we will explore the Lok Virsa. And why am I telling you all this so early? Because I lost the footage of that fantastic tea served by our amazing host. Shout out to them. This road is taken us to the Lok Virsa. And here we arrived. The entry is free. The first thing which caught my eyes was the sculpture of an old man enjoying hookah. Please somebody tell him it is injurious to health. But that old man is stronger than most of the people in their late 20s or early 30s. It's all about khurake, or in burger style organic food. Cities has their own charms and privileges, but village life is awesome in every way.
फाइन म्यूजिक बज रहा है और आई होप कि इसमें मुझे कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक तो नहीं आएगी.
There is no gate entry charges, but to witness the culture and history, you have to pay 200 rupees. Children up to 5 are free to enter. We purchased our tickets and now we are inside the Lok Virsa. I'm surprised at how systematic and organized everything is. Good job, administration. I will just give you a sneak peek of Lok Virsa. I will make a separate video only and only dedicated to the Lok Virsa. Around 7 o'clock, the museum started to close. There are some shops too, but those are really expensive.
देख लो कितना खूबसूरत है बैग्स. तर हमें आप कौन सा बैग लेके देने लगे?
I bought this fridge magnet as a memory, but I totally forgot that my fridge outer body is made up of glass and this cannot stick there. Another shock, guys, after tea snatching incident.
This is it for Lok Virsa. और मैं अपनी कोई भी तस्वीर नहीं बना सकी बिकॉज मैं कैप्चर कर रही थी. तो मुझे बहुत अफसोस है कि यहाँ पे मेरी कोई भी एक अच्छी सी पिक नहीं है. लेकिन अब ये इससे पहले कि यहाँ के लोग मुझे उठा के बाहर फेंकें क्योंकि क्लोजिंग टाइम हो चुका है, तो मैं बाहर निकल आई हूँ. और
As I was heading towards the gate, I saw this burger shop. They were closing, but I requested them to make a burger for me. They accepted my request. OMG. This is the best chapli kebab burger I ever had. If you ever visit Lok Virsa, please give a try to this burger. Yummiest burger ever. You will forget McDonald's and KFC.